Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. I'm here today with another reaction video to the group TGX. This is L.O.V.E music video. It's about like 7 minutes. I know it's like a love song. You know, I do like me a nice slow ballad. I do like a slow ballad, but sometimes I tend not to care for it. But this group, I'm in for it. Beautiful colors. Oh, everything do look better when it's all white.
Surat gue tugas loh ini jam 11 dikumpul. Nah yaudah.
They're giving us a story here, so most likely they're in private school. Oh, here comes the other boys are commenting to their friends. One is eating his breakfast. Couldn't be me. I just snatch his throat real quick. Oh, 2 girls walk past, so they're giving us stories. Okay, come on, creativity.
Kenapa bisa lupa? Kan udah dikasih tahu dari kemarin-kemarin.
Oh, she's pretty.
Bener-bener lupa, nggak tahu sama sekali.
Pretty. Oh, how obvious it is. Oh my god, they stared at us. And they're right there. Love it. So high schoolish. Oh god, this is a love song.
Dan ku terpana saat ku melihat cantik indah wajahmu.
Ooh.
Dan ku tahu itu kamu yang telah mencuri hatiku.
Oh.
Setiap saat selalu terbayang tenggelamku di dalam hayal. Hati ini tak menentu. Ku rasa ku mulai
She's so pretty.
Baby, baby, aku padamu, bawalah seluruh rasa rinduku. Oh baby, baby, selalu namamu di setiap hembusan nafasku.
Oh my god, it's so corny and cute at the same time. Oh, I love that. L.O.V.E. It's not like a lullaby. Oh, so now we're outside in the grasses and stuff. I hope they took the allergy medicine. It's too adorable.
Baby, baby, aku padamu, bawalah seluruh rasa rinduku.
I hope they're not all in love with the same woman in this video.
Oh baby, baby, selalu namamu di setiap hembusan nafasku. L.O.V.E. Na 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 na.
I know someone told me the two when they do like this with their hand, it's the shape of a heart. V-E-U. So which I can see is something that's very popular over there in the
I-L-O-V-E. Mungkinkah kita berdua menyatu dalam sebuah rasa? Inikah cinta namanya? Dak dikduk aku jadinya, terasa berjuta warna. Oh cinta. Baby,
Wait, I thought there was 5 members in the group.
bawalah seluruh rasa rinduku. Oh baby, baby, selalu namamu di setiap hembusan nafasku. I-L-O-V-E. Na 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 na.
L.O.V.E. You.
Na 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 na.
What does that scene of them dancing just remind me of the original?
Indahnya jika kita berdua merasakan saling jatuh cinta. Aku padamu, kamu padaku.
Okay.
Yo girl, I really love
V.E.
you. Bagiku kau adalah segala keindahan. Mempesona dirimu, oh sungguh menawan. Bagiku kamu, bahagiaku. Dengarlah.
L.O.V.E. You. Oh, we have more. Oh, there really is giving us a story. Ooh, is that alcohol?
Anyway, aku call-in kan. Terus dia nggak balas-balas ke anak-anak itu nggak di SMS, nggak di WA.
Bentar. Kok lu deket sama Fianca?
Iya.
Kan gue yang deket sama Fianca.
Bentar, emang dia deket sama aku?
Hah?
Ya emang aku deket sama Bianca. Kayak I'm with her every single day.
Oh my god. Sejak kapan?
Ya sejak day one kita ketemu lah. Kayak
Ini udah nonton sama dia.
wait, lu ngapain?
Can't walk through, bitch. Walk through, bitch. She better walk through, bitch. Yeah. Ooh.
Nanti ya sekelas.
Iya, nggak apa-apa.
Kau.
Oh iya, kenalin ini pacar aku.
Oh,
Ya.
hi, Iris. Hi, Iris.
Oh, so they all was in love with the same girl, and she had the nerve to come walk up in there. Like, how about talking about hi, girl? I live. Oh. No, she didn't. No, she didn't. No, she didn't just end this scene coming there with a man. Oh my god, she did that. She gave you that strut and she really, I think she's a gorgeous woman. She's a gorgeous girl with that nice red dress. And how she just walking, hi, and then walk with another man. Girl. That was TGX. I love you music video. Thanks to the one who recommended me direct this. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much. Oh, she's a bad bitch. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And if I get to them as soon as possible, as always, who can do you besides? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.